A very happy morning. Hope you are all doing good. Stay home, stay safe. You all know that in last class we have seen about different types of calendars. Yes or no? We saw about yearly calendar, monthly calendar, and weekly calendar also. Yes or no? And today we are going to see about daily calendar. What is a daily calendar? A daily calendar is there in everyone's home, as well as it schedules the work for the whole day. Let us see what is daily calendar and let's see one example also. Okay, children. Now zoom in. Can you all see the screen? Here in the screen, you could see that I have scheduled my daily work for Monday alone. So imagine we are getting up early morning and refreshing ourselves by taking bath, having lunch, getting ready for the school, everything. And at 9 o'clock, what we are getting ready for a meeting. Then at 11:30, we are getting for a ready for a checking mail. That is what all the mails we have received and what are the work to go on for a particular day. These work. Okay, ma. Then at 12 o'clock, we are going for a lunch. And at 1 o'clock, a nap. What do you mean by the word nap, dear? A nap means here it represent a small sleep. Okay, so this is no need, but just for a schedule I have done this. Okay, children. And here you could see it is 13.30. What do you mean by 13? So after 12 p.m., whatever the time it is considered in 24 hours time. Okay, so 1 o'clock will be considered as a 13. Okay, so 1:30 means it will be automatically 13.30. So that is the timing I have written over here. This you must get practice. Okay, ma. So here for 13.30, I have started my routine work, that is for training activities, etc. And 16 here represent 4 o'clock, that is for afternoon tea. And next it is 4:30, we have to see our new customers. Then 18 here, 18 represent what time? Find out and tell me during the class. We have to go home. And at 20, that is at 8 o'clock, check the stock market. So these are some examples from morning 9 o'clock to evening, that is at night 8 o'clock. So what are the works we do? We have scheduled each timing and our work also. So this is called daily work schedule. What it is, my dear children? Daily work schedule. Okay. And next we are going to see about electronic calendar. What is an electronic calendar? Where you can see this? Of course, you can see this as a mobile. Yes or no? So in mobile, whatever the work we have scheduled for a month or for a week or for a day, it would give us a notification. Yes or no, my dear children? As we are using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything, it gives a notification. No. So likewise, if some now imagine if you're having your mother's birthday on a particular day of a month, so if you keep as a event, a scheduled event, means it will make you to remember by giving you an alarm, or it gives us a notification mail like that. Okay, so those type of calendars are called as electronic calendar. What they are being called? Electronic calendar. Okay, children. So why we are using this electronic calendar? Because it is very easy to carry. It is always gives us a remember message. Okay, so for these comfortables, we are using electronic calendar. Okay, so who invented these type of calendars? Why do we want calendar? We all know that it is to schedule our event or keep us to memories, to click on every nationals and international festivals. Yes or no? Who invented this? Let us zoom in. It is none other than Julius Caesar. Okay, he only invented, but we had many changes in the calendar, like Gregorian calendar, lunar calendar, Hijri calendar. So likewise, we have different types of calendars. These types and what are the new invention and the development of calendar you will see in next grade. But here, for your knowledge, you just know it. Who invented calendar? If somebody asks you, you have to able to tell me Julius Caesar. Who it is? Julius Caesar. So you all know the timeline, right? That is usage of BC and AD. So during 45 BC only he founded. Okay, children. Okay. So this is called the yearly calendar. We know, no? We saw this last class itself. Yes or no? So here we have seen about different types and what are it uses, and we have looked into the electronic calendar too. So in the upcoming class, let us work out with book exercises. Okay. I hope so you have understood the concept. If you have any doubt, let us share during the class time. Thank you.